Starry Night is a mind-blowing program. For example, you can look at the Andromeda Galaxy. From Mars. I'm William Porter, and I'm going to show you how to move the camera, change your location, create objects, change the time and date, and more in the Planetarium program Starry Night 7. Start by simply opening the program. At the top, you can press the left tab button next to the search bar and the 3 lines, and that opens the Skyguide, an interactive encyclopedia. But we won't need that. Let's close that out. Now, you are ready to leave Earth and go anywhere in the observable universe. Kind of. First, let's look around by clicking and dragging. Easy enough. You can scroll to zoom in, or zoom out to a planetarium view. At the top, you can control the date and the time, and how fast time travels, and you can change your location and options about it. You can do that by clicking and dragging the actual numbers, except for your location. That does nothing. Or just by clicking the 3 bars and setting the options there. Now I have time going extremely fast. If you click on the 3 bars next to the time and select a discrete time step, let's say like hours, and you click the fast forward or fast backward buttons, you can travel in time by that time step. Command D hides light from the sun, and Command E hides the horizon, and vice versa. They bring them back as well. You can search for objects in the search bar in the top right corner. Search for one, like Mars, and then either click the 3 bars or right-click it, press center. Oh, looks like I have to hide the horizon to do that. And then you can scroll to zoom in on whatever object you've just centered on. The program will tell you whenever you have to hide the horizon for any given object to see it from where you are. At the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you will see 2 angle values. That is your field of view, FOV, and you can change it by zooming. Here's a fun trick. Go to the slider next to an object in the search tab. You'll have to hover next to its name to see it, and click the slider and scale it up in size. Let's just select it. Bring time forward. Oh, I saw it. There it is. It's a massive version of Mars. Let's finally get off this planet. Right-click on the sun or any other 3-dimensional object and click Go There. You can hold space to fast forward. You can use the arrows next to the name and distance from the object to zoom in or out. Scrolling, like I said, changes your field of view, so that's not going to bring you closer or farther from the object, it's just going to change your field of view. Let's say there's an object that you can't see that you want to go to, such as the Andromeda Galaxy. Well, just search for it. Here it is, Andromeda Galaxy. Right-click and click Go There. Boom, we are now at the Andromeda Galaxy. If you don't search for anything, you can find different objects already here. Just pick any one of them and you can travel to them. Here's Main Belt Asteroids. Let's pick this one and go there. And there we are. We've already covered how you can use the arrows to zoom in and out of the object. You can click off of it and drag to shift the object's position on your screen. You can click on the object and drag to move around it. If you click the 3 bars next to location and select Switch to Stationary Location, you will be no longer focused on any object. This allows for different movement options. If you click the same 3 bars and select Spaceship Mode, you can travel by means of accelerating and decelerating. So we can hit A. Here we go. Now we're flying. Whoa! Let's go a little faster. The 3 bars next to the search bar give viewing options and other features. So like options, we get options. Or you can just search for them. If you want options, you search options. Click File, and then New. And then click New Earth Satellite, or New Asteroid Orbiting Sun, or New Comet Orbiting Sun. I'm going to do New Asteroid Orbiting Sun. You can change what type of object it is. I'm going to make it a planet. I'm going to call it Tutorial Planet. Nice. You can change other features with these options here. Now, click out of that, save, and now if I search for Tutorial Planet, we can go there. You have just created your own planet. It is part of the database now, just like the asteroids, the planets, the stars, and the galaxies. You can delete it too, just by left-clicking and clicking Delete Tutorial Planet. I'm not going to do that though. You can do the same with asteroids, but you cannot delete planets or stars. Say you want to save where you are so you can come back to it easily. Just hit Ctrl S, save as favorite, and then call it whatever you want. Now, you can click File, Open, and find your favorite, which I call Planet Favorite. Open, and you're back there. Now that you know how to use Starry Night, you can explore the universe right on your computer.